ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Superintendent of Police Jonka East Khasi Hills District Uba Sylvester Nongtnger lembat ki he pulit tang shio jingtip bakadan ka Jingbthei ka bajur ha ka bala suba ba ula bandai ubam IED hajan ka Delhi Mustan Bandhar ha Khyndailad ha ka janmit jonka sngi ublai ha ka por kumba hendreu khatsan baji AM janmit marmar kila her syakani ka jaka ban penlong ni ka jing Tohkit ka babnia ha ka jingya kren bat kilat pathai khubor Uba Sylvester Nongtnger uliyat ho baki pulit kidang penlong ni ka jing Tohkit ka babnya da ka bapet lingba ki CCTV bala pendaj ha polis bazar bat syajan kani ka jaka bala jia ka Jingbthei ha ka bayadai bat kani ka jing jia menteri rangba jong ka jelna Konrad Sangma ula penrem jor bat ongru bakindo kino ki badan kti halor kani ka kam runar kinam light satya na ki kenjri jong ka ain.
No.
Is it an IED blast? Just confirm.
No, right now we can't say what is it. It's still under investigation. So bomb squad still on the job, then CSU still on the job. So we can't say what is, but some kind of blast is there.
But what was the intensity of the blast? How?
That we don't know. The bomb squad still analyzing the.
Anyone injured?
No people are around.
Any vehicles
Damaged or anything?
No, no vehicle, no people around, no vehicles. I mean, not much damage.
We heard that few window panes of the vehicle broken.
The damage a bit. As I tell you, our team are still on the job. So right now I can't give you any detail. Okay, we are still on the job. Okay.
Thank
so
you.
when we get detail, we'll give you. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.